Mag-breakfast po ako nito. Banana, cucumber, tapos lalagyan ko ng turmeric powder. Then, cinnamon powder. And of course, hahalo ko ito. Chia with milk. Okay, done na. So, ipo-pour natin dito. Madami siya. Guys. So, this is the result. What is this? We have chia seeds, cucumber, then banana as my sweetener. I did not put sugar. I did not put also honey either. So, the sweetener is for the banana only. So guys, iinumin po natin na empty stomach po ito. Breakfast. Matamis. Also, you can drink this one in the night because I put what is this? Turmeric. Turmeric can give good sleep. Turmeric powder, anti-inflammatory. Then the cinnamon, it's also good for high blood sugar. Tama? High blood sugar, yeah, correct. Cinnamon powder. Then guys, if you have managed to, if you can have chia seeds, it's very plenty of benefits in the body. It's really good.